No matter what, son, you must always make this noise.
But why, Mother?
Because if you don't, then...
I understand. I will always say. No matter what.
Alright, class. Who is ready to do some math? Be quiet, Vava.
I am sorry, teacher.
Let's begin the class. Who can answer this? How about you, Vava, since you like being loud?
The answer is...
That's it. If you won't shut up, I will make you.
Please, teacher. My mom said I must keep saying.
Much better. He disappeared. What happened?
He was the middle child, and since you stopped him from making a noise, he became irrelevant and invisible.
Like and sub to make me visible.